Hey everybody, welcome back to a new podcast and kind of a playlist for all my alien subscribers those who live in abroad and India, those who do not have an access to Hindi as a primary language. So this is one is Amex live playlist where I'm going to create a short video of 1 or 2 minutes about the new unknown facts of American Express. Alright, so did you know that American Express cards have a process called reinstatement? Which means if you have closed your card on XYZ date, from that particular date of closure, in upcoming 12 months, you can anytime reactivate your card by giving certain details of yours to American Express, and they would be more than happy to reinstate your card with the same limit what you got on the very first attempt. Now do remember, when you're about to reinstate your card, you must make sure that your your cards, your payment history has to be impeccable. Only then American Express is going to get you your card reinstated from the day of, let's say, closure. Must know point, you can only do that within a span of 12 months from the day of your, let's say, closure of the card. Do subscribe.